Aiden is Qase's AI power testing assistant. It helps you move from manual testing to automation. No coding needed. It's built to save time and take the hassle out of setting up automated tests. So, what exactly can Aiden do? Let's start with the Run Advisor. This tool looks through your manual test cases and helps spot the ones that are best suited for automation. When it's done analyzing, you will see each test is marked with a color. Green means this test is good to go, easy to automate with minimal work. Yellow means it's almost ready, but might need a few tweaks. Red means it's probably not ideal for automation just yet. Maybe it's missing key steps or it's too complex. You can always go back and make improvements. The advisor's tips will show you the potential improvements that you can make. Once the improvements are done, run the analysis again. Once you've locked in a test to automate and are ready to move forward, Aiden takes over from here. Now, choose where the test is going to run. If it's a public site, you are all set. If not, you will need Qase tunnel running, so Qase can access it. In most cases, tests will need login steps or other authorization. It's a good idea to include that up front. Go to Authorization Settings to build out the steps you need. And save it. If you need to pull the authorization setting while automating with Aiden, hit on this drop-down and make your selection. And you are ready to automate. Aiden converts your manual steps into automated ones. You'll see each step marked as successful or failed, with screenshots along the way. If a step seems off, just update this step using plain language. If you are dealing with a trickier scenario, try using the JSON editor to dig into the step and fine-tune it. And Aiden picks it up from there. While the test is being generated, you'll see a live progress log. If you click away from this page, Aiden's notification widget will keep you updated. Once everything is ready, you'll find your test under the Completed tab. Here's where you can do a final check, and either save it to your project, or even export the generated automated code. Aiden supports the following formats. Choose the one that fits your setup and download it for your use outside of Qase. Tests automated with Aiden will have a gear icon next to them, making it easy to identify such cases. If you are starting fresh and don't have a manual test yet, no problem. Just type out what you want the test to do, and Aiden will carry out the steps. It will show you real-time feedback as it builds the flow. You will be able to see a screenshot, along with the steps and the JSON it generates for each step. Once your automated test is generated, just like before, you will have the option to export the code and save it. You can also access the auto-generated code later, as long as you have saved the test to your repository. Now that you have generated automated tests with Aiden, it's time to execute them. Make your selection and run using Qase Cloud. Once the run is complete, you will receive a detailed report, including videos, trace files, and screenshot, giving you a full visibility into what happened during the test execution. And that's it. In short, Aiden helps you bring automation into your workflow, whether you're working with existing manual tests or just starting out from an idea. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us using the support chat.